Hello, today we will guide you through how to rotate a table in Microsoft PowerPoint. To begin, open Microsoft PowerPoint and go to the presentation where you want to work. Once PowerPoint is open, move to the slide that contains the table or object you want to rotate. In this example, you'll be clicking on a sample shape or design first. This is important because PowerPoint needs you to select the item before it shows the formatting tools related to that object. Go ahead and click on the sample shape or design on the slide. When it is selected, you should see selection handles appear around it. That visual outline confirms that PowerPoint is now focused on that object and ready for editing. If you do not see the handles, simply click the object again to make sure it is active. Next, look toward the top of the PowerPoint window for the ribbon menu. After selecting the object, a tab such as Format or Shape Format should become available. Click on that tab. This area contains the design and arrangement tools that let you change how the selected object appears, including its position, size, and rotation. If you don't immediately see the correct tab, double check that the shape or design is still selected, because the tab usually appears only when an editable object is active. Once you are inside the Format or Shape Format tab, move your attention to the top right area of the ribbon and find the Rotate option. Click on Rotate to open the Rotation menu. This menu gives you a set of preset rotation choices, which can be a quick and simple way to change the object's orientation without dragging it manually. From that menu, select a sample rotation. As soon as you click one of the rotation options, the object on your slide will update to reflect that choice. This allows you to preview the new angle instantly and decide whether it fits the layout of your slide. If the rotation doesn't look quite right, you can return to the same Rotate menu and try another preset until you get the appearance you want. Taking a moment to compare the rotated version with the rest of your slide can help keep everything neat and readable. That's all it takes to rotate a table-related object or sample design in Microsoft PowerPoint using the built-in formatting tools.